Hello students, welcome back. In this chapter, we have discussed prime numbers, composite numbers, prime factorization by two methods. First one is division method, and second one is factor tree method. And today we are going to discuss about the factors of a number. Factors of number, that means we can write a number as product of two numbers, or the number is divisible by the two number, it is the factors. So when we write factors of 6 or factors of 12, which are the factors of 12? Factors, not prime factorization. What are the factors of 12? Prime factorization means when we write the number as a product of its prime factors. Here I will go ask about the factors. Factors means there are prime numbers came, composite numbers came. Okay, factors of 12. First factor is the number, 1, and its last factor the number itself. So factors of 12 are two factors are 1 and 12. Then second, 2 into 6 is 12. So 2 and 6 are the factors. Then 3 into 4. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Then another one, factors of 24. Factors of 24, first one is 1, and the last number is 24. The greatest factor of 24 is 24, smallest one is 1. Then next one, 2 is a factor of 24. 2 into any number, 2 into 12 is 24. So 2 and 12 are the factors. Then 3 into number 3 8s are 24. Then 4 into 6. So the factors of it's over. Okay, next one is 5 into any number is not 24. Then again 6 is come. So the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. And the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. From these two numbers, you can see some common factors. Here you can see the factors of 12, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Factors of 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 18, 12 and 24. From these two, we can get a common factors. Here in 12, we can see 1. 1 is here. 2. In both cases, we can see 2. 3 is there in the both cases. 4 is there. 6 is there. Here it is, but here it is there, but not here. So it is not common. 12, yes, 12 is common. 24 is not common. So if you take the common factors of 12 and 24, they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Common factors, no name, common factors. Common factors of 12 and 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. This we already learned, so it is not a new word. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the common factors of 12 and 24. Which is the least common factor? Yes, it is the 1, and the greatest common factor. So common factor or the highest common factor, that is 12. So from this we got highest common factor of 12 and 24. Highest or the greatest common factor of 12 and 24 equal 12. So from this we got highest common factor. From this highest we take H, from common we take the first letter C, and from F we take F. It is HCF of 12 and 24, that is equal to 12. From this we got HCF, highest common factor of 12 and 24 is 12. So today we are going to discuss about highest common factor. Highest common factor or HCF is The largest number that divides two or more numbers completely. The largest number that divides two or more numbers completely. That means the highest factor. The highest factor that divide that two or more numbers complete. That is called highest common factor, HCF. And how will you find HCF? Now we know one method. First we need to write the factors of first number, factors of second number, then find the common factors. Then from out of that, which one is the highest one? That is the highest common factor. For smaller number, it is very easy. We can write the factors. But for the highest numbers, it is difficult. So our first method, first we need to find the factors of the given numbers and find the common factor of the given number, and among the common factors, the highest one, that is the HCF. Here you can see we need to find the HCF of 135 and 120 bigger numbers. So here it is, first we need to find the factors of 135. Factors of 135. 135. The smallest factor of 135 is 1. Highest factor is 135. Then 2 into any number is not possible because it is not divisible by 2. And 3, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, so it is possible. So we can divide that with 3, 3 into which number is 135. We need to divide 135 by 3, 3 into 4 is 12. When we subtract, we got 115, 45. So 3 and 45 are the factors. Then we need to check it is possible for 4. No, because it is 35, the last two digits is 45. Then we need to check 5 as it is divisible by 5. And 5 into which number is 135? 135 into divided by 5 is 5 2s are 10 minus 3, 5, 7. When we need to divide 135 by 5, we got 27. So 27 and 5 are the factor. Then for 6 it is not possible because it is not divisible by 2. Then 7, we need to check it is divisible by 7. 135 divided by 7. 7 into 1 is 7. 30 minus 7, 65. 7 into any number is 65. No, so we can write 7 9s are 63. Remainder is 2, so it is not divisible by 7. Then 8, is it is divisible by 8? No. 135 is divisible by 8. You can check. 135 by 8. 8 2s are 8, 8 1s are 8, 5 5. In 8's table there we can see 55. 8 6 are 48. 8 7s are 56. So we write 8 into 6, that is 48. Remainder is 7. So we can divide that number with 8. Then we need to check for 9. And like that. It is difficult. So our first method is difficult for bigger numbers. Anyway, we can check which are the factors of these numbers. The factors of 135 is 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, 27, 45 and 135. Like that, the factors of 120 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20, 24, 30, 40, 60, 120. So among these two numbers, the common factors, we can see 1 into these cases. So 1 is the common factor. Then we can see 3, 4 is not there, 5 is there, not 9, 15 is not there, 27 not there, 45 not there, and 135, yes, 15 is there, and 145. So the common factors are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Out of these, among these, highest one is 15. So the HCF of 135 and 120 is 15. It is difficult and time consuming. So in this case we need to take another method. So second method, method 2, that is prime factorization. Find the prime factorization of the given numbers. Prime factorization. Prime factorization means we need to find the prime numbers only. We need to write the number as the product of prime numbers. So first we need to find the prime factorization of the number. Then among that, second step is product of its common factors. Out of that prime numbers, take the common factors from that two numbers and find the product of that number. When we got HCF, we can do some examples. First one is find the HCF of 6 and 20. Okay. Anyway, we can check this one, 135, 120. First we need to find the prime factorization of 135. 135. Is it not divisible by 2? Is it 3? Yes. So 3 into which number? Yes, 45. Then we can divide 3 into 15. Then 15 by 3, that is 5. So the prime factorization of 135, 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. Then 120. 120. 2, 60, 2, 30, 2, 15, 3, 5. 120. First we need to check it is divisible by 2. Yes, it is divisible by 2. So divide that. 120 divided by 2, 60. Then again we can divide that with the 2. 2, 30 into 16. We can divide 30 by 2. 15 into 2 is 30. Again 15 by 2 is not possible. So we take 3. 15 by 3 is 5. So the prime factorization for 120 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Then we need to take the common factors. Here we can see 1 3 is here and 1 3 is here. So write 3. Let's take 1 3. If it is in the first number and second number, then take it. Here we can see 3 and here is also 3. Then 2 more 3s are remaining, but there is no other 3s. So we need to take these 3s. Okay. Then next one is 5. Yes, 5 is here and 5 is here. So take 1, 5. 2 is here, but in the first number 2 is not there. So take number at the pairs from the first one and the second one. Take it as the pair. Okay. Here from the first one we take 1 3 and here is there also 1. So take 1 these two and 5 is there, 5 is there. So the product of its factors 3 into 5, that is equal to 15. So the HCF is equal to product of its prime numbers, common prime numbers, 3 into 5, that is equal to 15. In the first method we got the highest common factor of 120 and 135 is 15. It is difficult. This one is simple. So for the higher numbers or the greater number, we use the second method. Okay. Now our question. We need to find the HCF of 6 and 20. First write the prime factorization of 6. 6. 2 into 3. 2 into 3. Then 20. 20. It is divisible by 2. So 2, 10. Again 2, 5. 2 into 5. Then we need to take the common factors, or HCF is equal to product of the common factors. Here 2 is there, so we take 2 pairs, then no more, so answer is 2. Our answer is 2. HCF of 6 and 20 is 2. Prime factorization of 6 is 2 into 3. Prime factorization of 20, 2 into 25. HCF of 6 and 20 means product of common factors. Common factor are only. So the HCF of 6 and 20 is 2. Always remember one thing, take as the pair of numbers. Select one from the first number and from the second number. Then from that we take only. If for example, if prime factorization of two numbers is equal to, if it is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, and second one 2 into 2 into 2 3 into 5 into 3, then I will find the product of common factors, take the pairs. So here 1 2 is there, we take 2. Then again we can see 2 2, so again take 1. Then you can see 3, so take 1 from there, and here you can see another 3. So find the product of this one. That is the HCF of these two numbers. So the product is 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12, 12 into 3 36. Okay, take as the pair. From that pair take only 1. Okay, next one we need to find the HCF of 120 and 135. We already found it. First we need to write the prime factorization of the numbers. Then prime factorization of 120 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, and prime factorization of 135 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. Out of that, product of common factors means, here we can see in the first number we can see 2, but in the second number there is no 2, so we can't take 2. Then here we can see 1 3, take 1 3 from here, combine that, write 1 3, then from these 2 5, take 1 5, so then find the product. 3 into 5 is 15. Okay, next one, here we need to find the HCF of 3 numbers. I will find, first write the prime factorization of the numbers. Here 30, prime factorization of 30, prime factorization, that is equal to 30, then 45, then 60, 2 into 15, 3 into 5, then 3 into 15, 3 into 5, 2 into 30, 2 into 15, 3 into 5. Look at this one. First we need to divide 30 by 2. Yes, it is possible, so divide that. 13 by 2 is 15, 15 into 2 is 30, then 15 by 2 is not possible, so take next prime number, that is 3, 3 into 5 is 15. First one is over. Second one 45, 45 divided by 2 is not possible, so take 3, 45 by 3 is possible, so divide that one. 45 with 3 is 15, 15, again 15 by 2 is not possible, so take 3, 15 divided by 3 possible, 3 5s are 15, prime number we got. Or you can write 5, 5 1s are 5. Okay, here 5, 5 1s are 5. Last one 16 divided by 2 possible, that is 30, 13 divided by 2 15, 15 by 3, 15 by 2 is not possible, so we take 15 by 3, that is 5, then 5 divided by 5, that is 1. So always remember 1 is the factor of every number, and the factors of 30, that is 2 into 3 into 5 into 1. We don't need to write 1 into 1 means the number, same number. Then for 45, and prime factorization of 45, 3 into 3 into 5, and prime factorization of 60, that is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. From the first number we can take 2, but it is not there, so we can't consider 2. Then 3, 1 3 is here, 1 3 is here, 1 3 is here, take that 3. So HCF 3 into, then 5, here we can see 5 is common, so 5, again no other number is common, so the HCF of 30, 45 and 60 is highest common factor is 50. Highest common factor of 30, 45 and 60 is 50. First we find the prime factorization. 30 is 2 into 3 into 5, 45 that is 3 into 3 into 5, 60 that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Then HCF of these numbers is product of common factors. Common factors are 5 and 3. Product is 5 into 3 is 15. Okay. Then the next term is CoPrime numbers. That means if the HCF of two numbers is 1, if the HCF of two number is 1, the numbers are called CoPrime numbers. Two consecutive numbers are always CoPrime. Okay. For example, when we find the factors of 6 and 25, factors, not the prime factorization, factors. Factors of 6 and 25, factor of 6, 1, 3, 2, 3 and 6, and factors of 25, 1, 5 and 25. From when we look these two numbers, we know the common factor is the common factor of these two numbers are 1, and for the HCF is it is also 1. So on comparing the factors of 6 and 25, we find that 1 is the only common factor. Such numbers are called CoPrime numbers. When we find the HCF of two numbers, if it is 1, the numbers are called CoPrime numbers. Two consecutive numbers are always CoPrime numbers. Okay. Today we will discuss HCF, highest common factor. How will we find highest common factor? For the first method, we need to write the factors of the given number. First method, first we need to write the factors of the given numbers, and out of that two numbers we need to take the common number. Then from that, which one is the greatest one, that is the highest common factor, HCF. Then the second method is by prime factorization. Find the prime factorization of given numbers and take the common factors. Out of that two or more numbers, we need to take the product of the common numbers. Find the product of the common factors. It is called the HCF. By the second method, when we use the second method, first we need to find the prime factorization of the given numbers, then out of that take the common prime numbers, then find the product of that numbers. Always remember, we take it as a pair. Okay, always remember, take it as a pair of numbers. Out of that pair, take one number. Okay. And today's homework is, let us try 5.4. Question number 1. It's A, B, C and H. Question is, find the HCF of two or more numbers. So write this in your notebook and also write the PDF in your notebook. Today's class is over. See you in the next class. Thank you.